Hello and welcome back to Zoom Maths. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can multiply quickly numbers that are close to 100. Okay, so now here you see 96 into 98. Before I go into the problem, let's try to understand few concepts. Now this number which is closer to 100, so we take the base as 100 for this number. Now, how far are these numbers away from 100? The deviation or the difference. So 96 is 4 times minus 4 and 98 is 2 times. Okay, so minus 2. So that's the deviation from them. So the deviation of these two numbers you have found out. That is 4 comma minus 2. That's minus 2 and minus 4. And now what you do is you will have to sum these numbers diagonally, either 98 plus 4 or you'll have to sum 96 minus 2. Okay, so when you diagonally add this, so it becomes 98 minus 4. Let's do it from here. 98 minus 4, this becomes 94. And now what you do is the remaining two digits. Okay, always remember, if your base is 100 having two digits, the other two digits will always be 2 over here. The number of zeros in your base, okay, the number of zeros in your base is always equal to the number of empty spaces over here. Okay, the units and tens digits are decided by the number of zeros in your base. Let's say if your base was 10, then you'll just have one digit over here. Now your base is 100, you've got two digits over here. So this is nothing but the product of this minus 4 and minus 2, that is nothing but 0, 8. Okay, so what you do is you first find the base, then you find the deviation, how far is this from the base for both the numbers, and then you find the sum of the numbers. So always put the minus sign was less than 100. If it's more than 100, we'll take it as plus sign. That would be in another video. I'll show you that separately. And then you multiply these deviations product. So base, deviation, sum and product. That's your answer. Let's take one more example. Okay, let's say 96 into 95. Okay, you've got your base, deviation, sum and product. So your base is 100, so deviations are given over here. This is minus 4 and this is minus 5. And now what is the sum? So sum you're going to take over here from this side, 95 minus 4, so your sum is going to be 91. And what is your product? Your product is going to be a multiplier of minus 4 into minus 5, that is 20. That's your answer. Getting that? This is so simple. Let's do one more. Let's say this time 98 into 92. Okay, so again base, deviation, sum and product. So base is 100, deviation, it's two numbers, this is minus 2, this is minus 8. Okay, so you remove, you subtract, so base, deviation or sum, 92 minus 2 is, if you add them, it's going to become 90. And then the product is 16, right? So the product is going to be minus 2 into minus 8, that is going to be 16. Getting that? So just go and add this. That's your answer. Let's take some more problems. Let's say 88 into 96. Okay, so your base is 100. Your deviations are minus 12 and minus 4. So what I do is I'll take this number 96 minus 12. That is nothing but 84. Okay, base is over, deviation is over, sum is over. Now product, minus 12 into minus 4 is 48. Multiply these two numbers, it's going to give you 48. Your answer is 8448. That's your answer. Seeing this is so easy. Okay, now let's take one more number. Let's say 95 into 95. Okay, so base is 100, deviation is 5. Now sum is, deviation is minus 5 over here. Now what is going to be the sum of this? 95 minus 5 is 90. And what is the product of these two? 5 5s are minus 5 minus 5 is 25. Answer is 9025. See how simple is this? Let's take one more number. Let's say some 91 into say 85. Okay, so in this time the base is again 100, so base is 100, deviation is minus 9 minus 15. Okay, 85 deviation we have found out, and now sum is 85 minus 9 is 76. Product of 9 into 15 is nothing but 135, so you write 135. So this 35 you write over here, and you carry that 1 over here. Answer is 7735. Getting that? That's how you do it. Okay, so practice some problems on this. This will help you multiply numbers close to 90, hundreds. I have also recorded another video in which you can multiply any random two-digit number, not just for close to 100 or 50. So I'll upload that link also in this video towards the right hand top corner. You can watch that video also. But if you've got numbers close to 100, this is the fastest way of multiplying it. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. This is Arham from Zoom Maths.